Please state your name.
My name is Kendra McPherson. I'm a tenured professor of astrophysics and string theory at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
When was it that you last saw Dr. Dawson?
1 week ago, when I received an urgent call from him.
Do you mean the night of the doctor's disappearance?
Yes.
I've listened to depositions from multiple Army personnel, mentioning a large explosion from a nuclear meltdown.
That is false.
You seem to believe that Dr. Dawson is still alive.
Correct.
You also believe that the doctor is currently trapped in a parallel universe.
Correct. Dr. Dawson and I have dedicated 2 decades of our lives to unlocking the secrets of the universe. His early theories have changed our understanding of reality. The call I received at night was to inform me of his intention to proceed with an important milestone in our research.
What you are saying is, Dr. Dawson is now trapped in a parallel dimension of his own creation.
This is why he disappeared. Our intention was to replicate on a smaller scale the event that gave birth to our universe.
Do you expect Dr. Dawson to come back?
I'm afraid it's not that simple. But I have faith that I will find a way to bring him back. Even if it will take me the rest of my days.